So these lips, they're here, you can't avoid them. I'm gonna show you guys how to get Kylie Jenner-like lips in a quick tutorial, so keep watching. All right, guys, I'm gonna start with the lip liner, and I also have the advantage of having pregnancy lips. So they're already a little puffed up, but I'm gonna show you guys the technique that will get you puffy, pouty lips. Okay, always start with your the edges of your lips, because as you're moving up into the center of the Cupid's bow, you want to start outer lining them, okay? So we start here. And then as I'm getting to the middle of the area, I'm starting to go above the line. See, you don't want to go out of your line, like draw it out of the line on the edges, because then it's going to be like just not pretty, you know, those people with the duck lips. You want it to be like a pouty, like that kind of lip. So let me do this side so I could show you guys the difference. I think that's enough of the outer line. And for the bottom, you could also draw the outside as well. And what I like to do is fill the edges with the liner. See the difference between this side that's lined and my natural lips? So it gives you like that 20% lip filler look without actually paying for the filler. So start with the line at the edge, and then as you're getting to the middle, start outer lining it. All right, so now onto the lip. I'm gonna use lip paints. A technique that really works is having kind of like separating your lips into the middle, like from your Cupid's bow down. Have that side be a little darker. Don't use the exact same shade all around. Have them be a little darker and then a lighter shade in the middle. So it gives you like, it narrows people's eyes into like a pouty look. So okay, now for the middle, I'm going to use a slight lighter shade. And you don't want it to have like a crazy difference in color. Like that one is too crazy. Let's try this one. So as you can see, like the middle area is slightly lighter than the edges. And it's kind of like bringing it all in to like a big pout. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to get Kylie Jenner style lips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.